So we're heading straight to our phone lines now to take your calls on whether you think smacking children should be made a criminal offence. And we're going to start with Jane. Hello, Jane.
Hello.
Hi there. What do you think?
I never smacked my children. I just had to look at them and they knew they'd done something wrong. A slap on the hand, if it's going to harm them or hurt them, yes. But a full-blown smack where it leaves a print, I don't agree with.
So with you say you never smacked your children, but
no.
What about? See, the trouble is here is the definition of tap, of that sort of thing on the wrist or on the nappy or something like that. To then something harder, is that acceptable? That
is acceptable, yes. A tap, yes. But a full-blown smack where it leaves a handprint or a bruise, no.
Well, if it leaves a bruise, it's illegal.
Then, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
And what do you think about the UN getting involved in this? I mean, should they be having a say on how we bring up our children? Is that their territory?
No, I don't think they should.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
No, go on, carry on if you had something else you wanted to say.
No, it's okay, thank you.
All right,
You're welcome.
Thanks
Thank you,
for
Jane.
your call, Jane.